Hello classmates, hello teacher. It's me again, Xiandree FUEGO. In the previous experiment, we turned the liquid water into solid ice by freezing it. But in this experiment, we'll be trying to do the opposite. We will turn this solid piece of wax candle into liquid using heat. I'm going to put this solid wax on fire and let's observe what happens to it when we apply heat on it.
Lapit mo pa.
As you can see, the solid form of the wax has changed into a liquid state when exposed to a hot temperature for a period of time. The wax has melted into liquid. The process of turning solid into liquid form is called melting.